Hello students, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. This video is about conductometric titration of strong acid versus strong base. Conductometric titration is used to find the equivalence point of the titration when there is no suitable indicator to use. Let us see the conductometric titration of strong acid versus strong base, HCl versus NaOH. In HCl, the conductance is due to H plus ions and Cl minus ions, and in NaOH, the conductance is due to Na plus ions and OH minus ions. The mobility of Na plus ions is less than the mobility of H plus ions, as Na plus ions are heavier when compared to H plus ions. And in this titration, initially when we have pure HCl, its conductance is very high as it is a strong acid and has highly conducting H plus ions. Once we start adding NaOH, the H plus ions of HCl are neutralized by OH minus ions of NaOH to give water. Means both H plus ions of acid and OH minus ions added to that solution are neutralized. They are removed from the solution, and these H plus ions present in the solution are replaced by Na plus ions of NaOH, and Na plus ions are slow ions. Their mobility is less when compared to H plus ions. As the fast moving H plus ions are replaced by slow moving sodium ions, there will be decrease in conductance till we reach equivalence point. So initially the conductance is very high and conductance decreases as the fast moving H plus ions are replaced by slow moving Na plus ions till we reach equivalence point. After the equivalence point, as we add NaOH, OH minus ions are getting added to the solution, which are again highly conducting ions. So there will be increase in conductance after the equivalence point.